keto foodies and flavor enthusiasts. Welcome back to Ketopedia, your ultimate source for delectable keto recipes. Today, we're diving into the world of mouth-watering keto butter chicken recipes. Let's cook. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 lb boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breast, cut into bite-sized pieces, and ½ cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon ginger, minced, 2 teaspoons spice masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon paprika, and ½ teaspoon chili powder. You just to taste. What do you are tossing into the taft? Dandy you salt and pepper to taste. Chopped fresh cilantro for garnish optional. This in a large skillet. Heat the butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, garlic, and ginger. Sauté until the onions become translucent and aromatic. Add the chicken pieces to the skillet and cook until they are no longer pink. Sprinkle the spice masala, turmeric, ground coriander, paprika, chili powder, salt, and pepper over the chicken. Stir to coat the chicken evenly with the spices. Pour in the heavy cream and let the mixture simmer for about 10-15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken. Garnish with chopped fresh cilantro if desired and serve hot. This dish is delicious with cauliflower rice or on its own. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.